Carmen Theobald. Welcome.
Hi, Carmen.
Thank you so much for having me. Hello, Karen. Hello, Kelly.
I'm excited for listeners because I feel like at this point, if you've been following us and listening to the podcast, that people are like, oh, it's going to be a good horse story.
Sure.
I hope so. And it's also going to be potentially a little bit of a difficult horse story, but with positive outcomes. So hang in there.
Beautiful. So we're going to kind of hand things over to you. You've got the story. I actually am one of the listeners today, so this is fun.
No, actually, we are both listeners today because even though I believe you saw me for the session, I don't remember the session at all. So I feel like I'm going to be an equal listener.
Well, how delightful. I'm so glad I get to share it with you again because your role that you played was critical in this story, Karen.
Okay.
Absolutely critical.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.